This is the coolest update in Gorilla Tag. One of the best. The monkey blocks are back. New cosmetics over here. And if you come through these tunnels, here's like a little mall area. Which, honestly, this is kind of weird. I think this might be like an actual mall where there's different like game mode things, like the monkey blocks, kind of like that. Yeah, come in here. The monkey blocks. I just built this stuff a little bit ago. Should we make a mountain? I think we should. There it is. We finished the mountain. Awesome. You know what? Let's build an obstacle course. Okay. We grab 2 of these. Put them like so. We grab 1 more. Put him right there. And boom! The obstacle course is finished. Here's the entrance. He's gonna boop. Wait, how do you? I put it on backwards. Okay. I'll fix that later. Oh shoot. Oh, how are you supposed to make that? Wait. Oh. Can't touch the ground, it's basically lava. I win! Yay! Oh, okay. I'm gonna save this real quick. I already got the badge. So this or like that's an armor. What? I don't know what that is. And then this you like boom and then boop. Boop. Wait, does it go through the mirror? No. Alright. And there's this shirt. This sword. Doesn't make any noises if you hit stuff though. Oh my gosh. Party, a new party hat thing. Princess hat. The map, you have to come up here. Jump! Tutorial. Oh, that was the thing. And then put your arm here, and then jump there, and then boom, you just escape the map. You can't go that way, or else you'll get. You have to keep on going this way. And come over here, come right here, drop down. Oh shoot! Come right here, come up here, pull your arm out, unload force, jump down here, climb up here, jump over here. And now you're out of the map. And it's weird. Monkey blocks. You can come like all the way over here, and the monkey blocks is still unloaded. Oh wait. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's so weird. Imagine you just came to the lobby. You look up. You come to the monkey blocks, and then it's just empty. That'd be kind of weird. Yeah. And oh shoot! No.